Hi. What's your question?
I was wondering when you're writing a paper, how do I structure it for like an argument?
Okay. So if you can just kind of remember this or write it as I'm saying it, you want to have probably at least 5 paragraphs. So you have your introduction, 3 arguments, and then end with your conclusion. And the way that you're going to structure it besides that is in your introduction, you're going to always start with an attention grabber, list what your 3 arguments are going to be, and then end your introduction with that thesis statement, which is going to assert your opinion. Then you've got 3 arguments there, and you probably need to also have these be 3 main points and then 3 opposing arguments. So arguments that would back up your thesis, arguments that would refute or go against, negate your thesis. The reason you want to bring up these 3 opposing arguments is because it'll make you look like a much more credible writer. And those 3 arguments, you want to order them, so this goes into structure, order them from best to then maybe not as good, and then your other best argument. So if you have 3 arguments, one is better than others, another one is better than another one, the weakest one goes in the middle. Just sandwich that weak argument right in the middle, because if it's the first or the last, it's going to be most likely remembered, okay? And then in your conclusion, you're just going to basically mimic your introduction, but backwards. Restate your thesis at the beginning, summarize your main points, and end with some kind of attention grabber or call to action. Okay, does that help you out?
Thank you.
You're welcome.